Welcome, adventurers and income seekers. Today, we're venturing into the remarkable world where your footsteps can literally pay off. Imagine converting your leisurely walks or vigorous jogs into a stream of income or gift cards. Exciting, right? From passive earnings to potential full-time gigs, we're exploring 6 groundbreaking ways to monetize your mobility. Stay tuned as we unveil a method that's not just rewarding, but could also lead to a 6-figure income. Ready to step up your earning game? Let's stride into the details. 1. Airbnb experiences as a walking tour guide. Launching our journey into earning through walking, I want to share a personal experience from 2022 in Cape Town, South Africa. I was captivated by the neighborhood, known for its vibrant houses and rich history. Discovering walking tours on Airbnb led me to an enriching experience with a local guide, Rafi. For about an hour and a half, we explored the area, visiting notable sites and enjoying local hospitality, all for $20. This experience highlighted the lucrative opportunity of becoming a walking tour guide through Airbnb experiences. No matter where you are, if your area has a story to tell and attracts tourists, you could earn significant income by sharing your knowledge and passion. With tours fetching $20 to $50 per participant, it's an engaging way to meet new people and make money. Plus, Airbnb offers a platform for various experiences, from hiking to photography tours, making it accessible for guides in numerous cities worldwide. 2. Evidation Health App. Second on our list is Evidation, formerly known as Achievement, a well-regarded app that compensates you for staying active. By syncing with your smartphone or fitness tracker, Evidation monitors your daily activity, rewarding you with points that translate into PayPal cash or gift cards. Accumulating 10,000 points equals tens. While it might not make you rich due to its point system, which limits how quickly you can earn, it's a straightforward way to gain some extra cash for your regular physical activities. It embodies the essence of passive income. Set it up, stay active, and slowly but surely see the rewards come in. 3. Miles, the travel companion. App. Unlike Evidation, which focuses on exercise, Miles rewards you for every type of travel, whether it's walking, biking, driving, or flying. The app gathers data on your movements and offers points redeemable for various rewards, including Amazon and Starbucks gift cards. Particularly suited for those who travel frequently or have active lifestyles, Miles provides a unique opportunity to earn from your mobility. Although the earnings might not be substantial, it's an excellent addition to the digital tools that incentivize your daily commutes and adventures. 4. Rover for pet lovers. For those who love animals and are looking for a potentially lucrative side hustle, Rover connects pet owners with trustworthy sitters and walkers. This platform allows you to offer services such as dog walking and pet sitting, set your rates, and work according to your schedule. It's an opportunity to earn an average of $15 to $20 per hour, with potential for more through additional services like overnight stays. Some individuals have turned their Rover gigs into full-time jobs, especially in bustling urban areas. For those outside the US or where Rover isn't available, consider starting your own pet service business through social media or local classifieds, tapping into the ever-present demand for pet care. 5. Turning steps into rewards with Cashwalk. The 5th avenue to potentially earn through your daily strides is with an application named Cashwalk. This app rewards its users with daily coins for walking and sharing their movement data. Compatible with both Android and iOS, Cashwalk integrates seamlessly into your life, rewarding regular physical activity with a virtual currency that can be exchanged for a variety of gift cards, such as those from Amazon, Walmart, Google Play, Apple, Taco Bell, Starbucks, and Spotify. Although the earnings might be modest, typically around $2 to $5 monthly, Cashwalk presents a straightforward, low-maintenance method for accumulating passive income. By combining it with apps like Evidation and Miles, you maximize your potential returns for every step you take. While it won't make you wealthy, Cashwalk adds a rewarding twist to staying active, offering tangible incentives for sharing your activity data. 6. Becoming an Opeasy brand ambassador. The sixth method to monetize your mobility is through becoming a brand ambassador with Opeasy, a marketing firm that orchestrates flyer distribution campaigns for various companies, including DoorDash, Uber, and Amazon. Operating in over 70 cities across multiple countries, Opeasy offers individuals age 16 and older the opportunity to earn by distributing marketing materials directly to mailboxes. After signing up and receiving approval, you'll be assigned missions, which are typically 3-hour slots detailing the number and location of flyers to be delivered. Compensation varies by location, but in the US, the pay rate is around $23 per hour, amounting to approximately $70 per mission, with additional allowances for travel and parking. Payments are made weekly through direct deposit, offering a reliable source of income for your efforts. With its international presence and competitive pay, Opeasy represents a valuable opportunity for those looking to earn by walking and distributing flyers. Apps and hustles to be wary of. As we conclude our exploration of apps and side hustles that reward walking and physical activity, it's crucial to approach this niche with caution. The rise of fitness monetization apps, spearheaded by platforms like Sweatcoin, has created a buzz around earning through exercise. However, many of these apps compensate users with tokens redeemable mainly for discounts rather than cash or gift cards, potentially overstating the actual earnings one can expect. While engaging with these apps, remember to critically assess the rewards offered and consider alternative gig economy roles that might offer more substantial returns for your efforts. Whether it's delivering orders on your bike or assisting with tasks through platforms like TaskRabbit, diversifying your income sources can provide a more lucrative and active earning strategy. As you navigate through the myriad of options available for earning on the move, keep these insights and tips in mind. Whether you're interested in any of these apps or have experiences to share, your feedback and discoveries are always welcome. Stay active, explore new opportunities, and who knows, your next walk could be more rewarding than ever before. As we wrap up our journey through these innovative earning paths, remember, the world is your walking tour. Whether you're guiding tourists, tracking your steps, or delivering messages, each step opens new doors to earnings, experiences, and connections. Don't forget, if you love discovering these pathways to profitability, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to Profitability Plus, and join us